How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of jowls on your face step by step. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Jowls, you guys, all it is it's loose skin below the jawline. So first exercise we're going to do is we're going to raise our chin like this, and then we're going to open our mouth wide like this. So make sure the chin is elevated the whole entire time and do this. "20 reps. Perfect. Quick little break. The next exercise that we are going to do is teeth touches. Do this gently though. So like this. Perfect. Quick little break. We're then going to raise our chin like this. Perfect. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.